Border standoffs, military escalations, and a relationship frozen at sub-zero temperatures. But come September 2026, the geopolitical chessboard in Asia is about to face a seismic shakeups. For the first time since the fatal 2020 Galwan Valley clash, Chinese President Xi Jinping is set to land in New Delhi for the BRICS summit. Is this a desperate PR attempt or a genuine turning point for Asia's two massive juggernauts? Let's break it down. Let's rewinding the tape for a second. The last time Xi Jinping stepped foot on Indian soil back in 2019 in Mamallapuram smiles, silk drapes and high diplomacy. Fast forward just a year later, 2020 Galwan happened. Trust was completely smashed into pieces and both nations mobilized tens of thousands of troops along the line of actual control. For nearly 6 long years, it's been a cold war of words, app bans, economic curbs, and intense military standoffs. So why now? Why is Beijing suddenly ready to break the ice in Delhi on September 12 and 13? Look guys, summits like BRICS don't just happen out of nowhere. Before Xi lands in Delhi, the high-stakes groundwork is already moving behind closed doors. The Doval factor. India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is expected to fly to Beijing for high-level security talks. WMCC meetings, the working mechanism for consultation and coordinations on border affairs, is actively trying to hammer out the friction points along the borders. The AI wildcard, while fixing border ties, China is also pushing a new global tech alliance like WAICO with 29 nations. Beijing is playing complex game, India knows it. India isn't jumping in blindly. New Delhi's stance has been crystal clear from day one. Normal ties requires peace at the border. No peace, no business as usual. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Will Modi and Xi hold a separate bilateral meetings on the sidelines? If that room closes, those two sit across from each other, the agenda is stacked. Border resolution, can they permanently de-escalate the LAC? Trade and supply chains, China wants economic access, India wants trade fairness and manufacturing autonomy. Regional dominance, two rising powers fighting for influence across Asia and the global south. It's not just a handshake, it's a power negotiation between Asia's two largest economies. Is the 7-year return a genuine reset button or just tactical diplomacy for the camera? September 2026 will give you the answer. What do you think? Should India welcome this visit with cautious optimism or keep its guard fully up? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit like button, subscribe for more sharp geopolitical breakdowns and share this video. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.